How to scan QR code in Telegram to join groups. So go open the QR code of the group that you want to join. Make sure that this is saved on the Photos application of your iPhone device, since this quick way is a feature of iOS 16 and above. Now, once the image is opened, press and hold the QR code of the group. These options will then show, so click on Open in Telegram. You will then be directed to the Telegram application and on the conversation of the group that you want to join. After this has loaded, click on Join Group, and as you can see, my account is now a member of the group chat. So that is how to scan QR code in Telegram to join groups. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.